This is our best combine. We lost our job in Oklahoma this year because it rained so much. We lost all of our work there. Our South Dakota job is downsized on acres, and our North Dakota job droughted out. So we're way down on acres, and we're selling not our worst combine, our best combine. We can give somebody else a chance to have it nice. It's a heavy-duty assembly that goes on there that makes hooking on to equipment easier, forwards and backwards. And when you're doing corn, you can get the right tilt on your corn head so that the corn ears stay in the corn in the machine and in the header.
2022 8250 that has been completely gone through and rebuilt from the front end to the back end.
Here we replaced the feeder housing chain. We replaced the drive sprocket, tubular drive sprocket inside the feeder house that drives the chain. And behind that, we put new wear bars on the rock trap beater. And on front of the rotor, we put the wear bars, heat-treated wear bars on the front of the rotor on the elephant. Inside there, we replaced all the rub bars on the rotor with heat-treated chrome heavy-duty rub bars. And as we go back,
and you weigh those too, right? You weigh them to...
Yeah, we weigh them all with a scale, and they're weighed into grams, so they're all matched, so that when you're done, the rotor is perfectly balanced.
Okay.
And up above there, we put all new chains on the combine on this side and the other side as well. All new diamond chains. They haven't been run yet. Everything's adjusted out and ready to go. Up inside here, the fine chopper has all brand new stationary or rotary knives on it, and we rebuilt the stationary knives. They're all brand new. Clean grain elevator chain is the heavy duty with the backing plates on it. It's brand new. Just put it in, adjusted it out. And the other roller chains up on the top of the elevator housing. This one and the one on the back side, they're brand new. We got these two tires on the combine, which are brand new Michelin radials. We have the other matching pair sitting down here on the driveway. All front four are brand new. Brand new Michelins. This is my 43rd year in the harvesting business. And my biggest pet peeve was to have a combine not field ready and break down in the field. I always liked them to be everything fixed beforehand and have no breakdowns. Very seldom did we have any.